In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Slack status with Google Calendar. By the end, Slack will automatically reflect your availability based on your Google Calendar events, so teammates instantly see when you're in a meeting or heads down. You'll only need your Slack workspace and a Google account. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Slack into the search bar and open the official Slack website. If you're not already signed in, log into the workspace where you want this connected. Once Slack is open, look to the left sidebar. Click More to reveal additional options. From there, choose Tools, and then select Apps. This opens Slack's app directory inside your workspace, which is where we'll add the Google Calendar app. In the Apps view, find Google Calendar and click Install. You'll be taken to the Marketplace page for the app. Click Add to Slack to begin the installation. Slack will show a permissions screen explaining what the app can access and do, such as reading calendar events and updating your status so others know when you're busy. Review the details, then click Allow to continue. Next, you'll be redirected to Google to link your account. Choose the Google account that owns the calendar you want to sync. When the consent screen appears, review the requested access carefully. This is needed so Slack can read your events and keep your status in sync. Click Continue. It may take a moment while the connection is established. Simply follow the on-screen prompts until you're returned to Slack. Let's confirm everything is ready. Back in Slack, click your profile picture in the lower left corner and choose Update Your Status. With the Google Calendar app now connected, your status will automatically update during calendar events, helping your team know when you're unavailable. You can still set a custom status at any time. Slack will honor that until it clears, and then resume syncing with your calendar. A few quick tips if something doesn't look right. You might need workspace admin approval to install apps, so check with your admin if you can't click Add to Slack. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you selected the one with the calendar you actually use. And if changes don't appear immediately, refresh Slack or reopen the desktop app. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar to Slack and enabled automatic status updates based on your schedule. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, more transparent collaboration.